Hi, and welcome to the channel. Uh, Title's a bit controversial. You know your CV is shit, don't you? It surprises me every time I read a CV how people undervalue their CV. It's just the bit that everybody reads on their own. Lots of different stakeholders are reading it, so it could be anybody basically across the company. So they don't know you, and personal referral is obviously the best way to move up your career and get another job. But when you're sending your CV out to lots and lots of different people, it really has to be the the perfect specimen because you're not there to present all the great skills and the great knowledge that you've got. So it's the thing that really presents you to lots of different people without you being there. Um, Listen, I'm more than happy to quickly review a CV if someone wants to send me one. As part of my mentorship program, it's something we dissect at the very beginning and we look through it, we break it down, we get the right language. It's not just a case of getting the text and the formatting right. Yeah, sure, spell check and everything else is great, but you know what? That should be just the default. You shouldn't be just thinking, oh, well, I'll just chuck it out there and hopefully it will get picked up. All the mentorship students that I've done over the years, they've all had a great response when they've actually built their CV out to reflect the actual experience and the role that they want. So look, don't waste the time right now sending out your shit CV, get it corrected, let me help you, and hopefully I will be able to talk you through the best ways to move forward with your career progression. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you like and share the channel and please share with your friends. I'll speak to you soon. Thanks.